Hello and welcome to another Bunny and Teddy video diary. In this one we're going to show you what we bought in the possibly the largest Muslim, I use that term loosely, supermarket in Leicester called Umrah, and our understanding of Umrah is the place where they go to in Mecca, or the building there, or something to do with that. That's what Umrah is all about. But in this supermarket it's not just sort of Middle Eastern foods, but there are a lot of Eastern European things in there, as we will try and explain with the haul that we got here on the table. So let's try and explain what everything is then, Bunny.
Hi everyone. Teddy did me a little surprise last week, I think it was, last Saturday, saying, well, you know, how about checking this new supermarket in Leicester. Didn't know really, I knew that I would find things a little bit unusual that you can't get in normal supermarket here, well, in my area. But at the same time was very happily surprised. I wish Teddy brought a camera, but I didn't know how they would feel. You know, certain shops might not want people to film. But my excitement to see all these products, basically what you see on the table. But it was also a moment where I felt I was back home. Let me just quickly tell you what we got. I think this was an expensive purchase. I said to Teddy, oh look, they've got big pack of fresh coffee lime leaves, which smells superb. The thing is that you can get them in little jars, but they are dry. They're not the same as fresh. They're okay, they're not the same, so if we can get hold of fresh ones, but they were £5, which was really, I showed him thinking, well, yeah, I showed him and then he said, oh okay, I don't think I really wanted to buy that at that price, but never mind. He put it in the basket, but it's okay. So smells really nice. And then I've got my curry leaves, fresh curry leaves at £1.19 for a big bunch like that. Smell absolutely delicious. Then a shallot as well. That was, I think, what, £1. So I got 2 of them. I'm looking forward to do some nice dishes with that. We've got some funny Chinese mushroom to do like Chinese soups and other varieties again here. So price-wise, the shushu was 99p. The kohlrabi as well was 99p. The white potatoes, got some white potatoes there, 79p. Then this is the excitement. Look at this big piece of pumpkin. Proper, we call it back home giromo. Look at this, guys. Proper giromo. Not butternut squash, but giromo. Really looking forward to cook with that. This is a giant pawpaw. That was, you can't get these big ones in supermarket. That one was papaya. Oh gosh, that was expensive as well. Oh, didn't realize. £6. That was really dear, guys. So we could have looked at prices and all that, gone a bit. But generally I wouldn't pay that much for a pawpaw, because you can get a pack of smaller ones from the supermarket about, you know, £2 for, well, sort of half of it. When you think about it, the price is sort of okay, but still expensive. But I suppose it's the variety also that you pay in the brand. Then we have got sweet chili sauce, which is a lot cheaper. A big thing like that was £2. The pumpkin was okay actually. Pumpkin was £2.17. The mushrooms were also affordable, £1.69 for that. And we have got, I'm going to put that in the fridge. This, I don't know what that means. It's like a sort of green beans, but it's a flat one, as you can see. It's not proper green beans. They call it green guava. So they say haricot vert.
Cluster bean. Yeah,
cluster bean. So it would be nice. I don't know whether in Mauritius they call it, or I don't know. There is a long thing that they sell in the market back home. I'm wondering whether it's that. I can't remember the name. But my mom never used to buy those. It was me experimenting always with new things. So that goes back into the freezer. when I cook it, I'll show you how I decide to do it. Then what else? Oh yes, this is a Turkish thing, a Turkish paste, pepper paste. I want to do a Turkish dish with that. Then I have got some Kashmiri chili powder, which was quite nice. I've been looking for that in supermarkets here, couldn't find it. But instead I did get, if I can find it, I did get that from Marks and Spencer as a compromise, but it wasn't really that. I was looking for the powder itself, because there's a few Indian recipes, Indian curries that I want to do. Kashmiri chili was, sorry, going back to the Kashmiri chili, £1.79. Kashmiri chili powder, pure baking powder for cleaning, vinegar for cleaning.
How much though?
No, white vinegar 6.89 pence and baking powder £1.29. And then this was feuille de brique. I've been looking at making those. I was looking to make those from scratch on YouTube because I fancy doing some stuff with it, basically. Not dinners, but snacks for lunch rather than for dinners. So feuille de brique was 99 pence, which is really not bad. You can do samosas as well with that. You can do like a spring roll thing. Oh, Karila, I guess that was this, Margot's. I need to have a look I forgot how to do it, guys, but I think I fancy this, Margot's, with this salted fish. But I need to really think how to cook it. I believe you scrape a little bit of that, this rough thing, you scrape that, you wash it, scrape this, and then cut it in half, take all the stuff out, seeds, and then slice it, and then put it in salt there for half an hour or 15 minutes, and then press it, wash it, and then leave it, and dry the thing on a clean tea towel, and then it's putting it in really hot oil and onions. Just fry it quickly with salted fish, I think. But I will. Mauritian people put that in bouillon poisson. They do it like that, just saute with onions. They do it in achar. So there's loads of options, but they are quite expensive. Cheeky. I might get seed from that and see whether I can grow it. We'll see. Then look at this baby. I don't know whether you know that this is my childhood. Back home in Mauritius, the brand, as you can see, this is Arabic, Turkish, and a brand from Turkey, or I don't know which country, but it's from one of these countries there. But this back home, the brand is Kraft. We used to eat that on biscuits, on loads of stuff. This is childhood. It was so nice. We had that. Oh, I know what I did. I did some quesadillas, some tortillas. I spread that on that and then put some veg. Oh, it was delicious. And in the pan, I fried it. Wasn't it nice last Saturday, dude?
Yes, bun.
And then this is another thing that I couldn't get in the supermarket here, my end. So it's meti, the dry fenugreek leaves. So that was, I think that was £1.69. So I've got this for 69. These are chickpea in a jar. They are a lot nicer than tins if you can get hold of them. Only 69 pence. I got two of those. They are a lot more creamier. They're not as hard. There's no crunch in a way. They are cooked properly. This is really, really nice. I've got some bread, bread from, this is like Indian bread, small white Cosbes, Prayan. It's like a, how should I say, like a Ramadan. You know, the Muslims are at the minute they are doing their carême, and they eat quite a lot of these sort of cooked bread in the oven. So that was £1.19. And then I was looking for these as well recently. I couldn't find them. I couldn't get they are called cowpeas, but they are like a tiny red kidney beans. I prefer them in chili con carnes. They are creamier. The sagu one was $1.99. Looking forward to that. Tapioca tortilla wrap chapati at 99 pence. I did buy those Goji Berries, but I thought that was a really good price for 100 grams, whereas in supermarket for less than that I think it's a lot more. I think I did a good buy, so I'll show you in a minute what I've done with them. And dried apricots, $1.99 for 100 grams as well, I believe. No, 200 grams, that one. 200 grams. And here as well. Yeah, that one is 100. But this is from China. This one now. This one is, I got also very, very excited. It's white yam. Here in England, the Caribbean, this was at the Caribbean section. They call it yam, but we call it back home arroy. That's it. But this is a white one here. So I'm going to try and make like little croquettes with them. I saw a recipe on I think it was YouTube or Facebook from Inian Island. They do like little fritters with them. You grate them and you grate some giromo as well with it, and then do a bit of onions and then fry them. Yum. So I think we have done the round of stuff what we bought. I hope you will be able to tag along with us when I do little bits, and remember to ask Teddy to tape, not tape, to film me. So here we go, but very excited about this, excited about chouchou, curry poulet, arroy, lots of stuff, really spoiled. Alright guys, so that's it for the Umrah St. George Retail Park, Leicester. If you are in England, you live in Leicester, you are Mauritian, go and check this supermarket because there are loads of really nice goodies there.
So just to finish off then, yeah, if you've got this far in the video and you like what you see on the table there, leave a comment. Tell us what you would do with some of the ingredients that we've bought, particularly if you're a Mauritian or you're into that sort of cooking, if you're Asian, Turkish, anything like that. They did a lot of Eastern European, as I say, there was Polish, Bulgarian, Turkish, bit of German. There was a lot of dates.
Oh, dates were.
A load of dates there from Tunisia, Algeria, a lot of North African stuff there. There was Ghanaian and Jamaican, as you saw there with the yam. A lot of Caribbean stuff as well, fresh produce as well as packaged stuff.
Oh, I forgot something. I'm going to show you what I did for dates.
Oh yeah, you said you would do, and you forgot.
I don't, guys. Look.
Can you recognise the container from Bunny's unboxing video? Check that video out. This is one of the containers.
So these are the little pieces of apricots, and these are the goji berries.
Goji berries.
Goji berries.
I will excuse your hands going into a container like that.
Right, but this is my homemade granola. I don't buy granola now because I think there is, when you buy a brand, what's the brand? Dorset? Is it one Dorset?
Oh yeah.
I think
well,
Dorset,
that's
one
the
of
cereal,
them.
isn't it? Yeah.
Or Kellogg's or whatever. You buy for the name of the product. Teddy bought one a while ago, but there were hardly any nuts in them. So I'm thinking for the price, I buy now in big packs when it's on special, oats and loads of little bits like that. I stack up. I do a bit of a stock of them, and then every so often, twice a month, sometimes, depending how fast we go through that. It is so nice. I sometimes eat it as a snack during the day with a little bit of coconut yogurt. It's really nice. Yes, if you let me know if you want me to show you how I do my homemade granola. It's a mix and match, whatever I've got, but it's very delicious. So you can do Buddha bowls for breakfast with that. It's yummy. Well, I'll let Paul tell you whether it's yummy or not. I say it's yummy. I like it.
Well, it certainly starts my day okay. With if you look at my my breakfast video, you'll see not Bunny's granola, but it's that same breakfast every morning, but it now includes Bunny's granola instead of a shop bought one. Leave a comment about any of the ingredients if you fancy sharing with us some recipes or something like that we might be able to try. Take the opportunity to thank you for reaching 140 subscribers. We would like a lot more, of course. If we get to 200, we'll do a new Q&A. When you see our videos, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment as well, you know, to say where you are from, who you are and all that sort of thing. It'd be nice to connect with you. So we'll leave it there then, guys. Thanks for watching this one. Give it a thumbs up, as I say. Leave a comment and all that. Click to subscribe and click the bell as well to get notified of the next one. And we'll see you then. Bye for now.
Bye.